Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Marian Eslabon, and kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I share and post another videos of mine. Today's vlog, we are going to discuss a very important na and very useful sa mga small YouTubers kagaya ko, and lalo na sa mga YouTubers na gustong magsimula or kakasimula pa lang kagaya ko ulit. So, this video will be consisting different vlog ideas na nakakategorize siya para sa mga vlogs na gusto mong kasama ang friends mo or funny vlogs and whatever. So, I will just discuss it later on. And kung nandito ka sa part na to ng video, I think sa mong makakuha ng idea kung anong magandang gagawin na content for your next vlog. And kung tama ako, please do keep on watching. So, ang una natin i-discuss is yung type of vlog that is bagay na bagay para sa mga starting pa lang. So, personally, I like it na kapag nagsisimula ka pa lang sa YouTube channel mo is that you engage with a lot of people, you engage with your friends para mas madali or mas mabilis ang promotion mo ng vlog mo. Like for example, meron kang group of friends na somehow may influence sa school ninyo or in the community, tapos sasama mo sila sa vlog mo, and it is also a sort of promotion na kapag nakita din ng ibang friends nila na nandun sila sa vlog mo, is of course they will also watch and ano pa ba? Eh di mag-subscribe. Number 1, my best friend does my makeup. Tell a story. You're going to tell a story, lalo na kung isang group of friends kayo. Pwede kayong mag-share ng mga experiences ninyo as a friend or as a group of friend, ng mga pinagdaanan ninyo when you were in high school, when you were in your elementary grades, and when you were in your childhood na feeling ninyo makakarelate yung ibang tao. Next naman is how we met vlog. Pwede siya kung you have example, a boy best friend, or perhaps kung lalaki ka, meron kang girl best friend. So pwede mo siyang i-discuss kung paano kayo nag-meet. What I hate and what I love about you. Tell the story of a long-lost friend, travel vlog, your latest adventure. Your latest adventure, wala pa ako nito sa channel ko, but soon, hopefully, kapag meron na tayong mga travels and all, pwede natin siyang gawing content. Traveling on a budget, lalo na ngayon, uso yung sa mga Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, and all yung mga piso fare. So, pwede mo siyang gawing content kung paano mo na-budget ang specific amount of money para nakapunta ka na sa iba't ibang kinds of places. What's in my bag? So, that's it for your vlog ideas na pwede mong gawin with your friends. Ito naman is for people na feeling ninyo ang gusto ninyong content is all about beauty. Can teach a makeup tutorial, review a makeup product or a beauty product. Like for example, bumili ka ng isang brand ng foundation, so ibibigay mo ang mga insights mo and opinions mo kung gaano kaganda ang product na yon para sa'yo, para magka-idea yung iba bago nila bilhin yung product na yun. Pwede ding do a hair tutorial. You can have your makeup or shopping haul. So, pinakauso ngayon yata yung mga Shopee haul, Watson's haul, and all. Pwede ding review drugstore makeup. That's it for your vlog ideas na under naman sa beauty industry. Kung gusto mong maging beauty enthusiast, this one naman I think is matatawag natin siya na connecting with followers or connecting with subscriber vlog ideas. Do a giveaway. Do a facts vlog. So, facts, FAQ, which means frequently asked questions, means na kung ano yung mga kadalasang tinatanong sa'yo. Like, for example, anong brand ang na ginagamit mo, or pwede kang mag-post and sasagutin mo na lang yung mga questions niyo. Mash up with a fellow vlogger. So, one way to connect with our fellow YouTubers and your audience is to connect with another vlogger na feeling mo is with same interest kayo. Do a most requested video. Do a live feed. If ikaw naman yung type na tao na ngayon ka palang naka-decide na gumawa ng vlog, these are the first vlog ideas na the best para sa this yourself. You can have your parang 10 facts about me, 20 facts about me, or 50 facts about me just to introduce yourself to people. Pwede kang gumawa ng plans for the channel. So, gumawa ka ng isang video na i-share mo sa mga audience mo kung ano yung mga plano mo para sa upcoming videos. Pwede rin room tour, diba? Daily vlog upload, nauuso ngayon yung a day in my life. Pwede siyang gawing content. Or, uso rin ngayon, boyfriend, girlfriend, or best friend tag. So, that's it para sa mga vlogs na pwede mong gawin kung kakasimula mo pa lang talaga or wala pa, 0 views or 0 uploads ka pa sa YouTube. Next naman that we are going to discuss is para sa mga couples na gustong magkaroon ng YouTube channel. So, ano ba yung mga pwedeng vlog ideas or vlog topics for you? My boyfriend or my girlfriend does my makeup. How we met or how both of you met. You can also share your insight on your unique relationship. You can share your relationships advices. You can also play a game, kagaya ng Jamil. Ang dami nilang games, lalo na nung simula pa lang sila. So, pwede rin kayong gumawa ng boyfriend or girlfriend tag, and marami pang challenges kagaya ng 100 layers of lipstick, 100 layers of foundation. Who knows me better between your boyfriend and your closest best friend? And next naman is para to sa mga vloggers na may idea or parang gusto nilang gumawa ng family vlog. These ideas are for you. Getting married. So, if you want to start your vlog na involve yung family, pwedeng gawin mong vlog yung kasal ninyo or paano kayo nag-prepare for your wedding, dealing with couple fights, yung mga ganun. So, maraming mga foreign YouTubers na ginagawa to. Sibling tag. You can also do this, lalo na kapag sa family. Parents tag. And pwede nyo din gawin yung who knows me better, my father or my mom or my dad. Ganun. So, that's it for your vlog ideas para sa mga family vlogs. Naman is, if you want an inspirational vlog, you can have finishing school vlog. Pwede din budgeting and financing. Nako, maraming makaka-relate and maraming manonood ng video mo for sure. One example is that si London Hacks. I don't know if maraming nanonood sa inyo kay London. None. Reaching a goal. So, since this is an inspirational vlog, you might want to share with your audience paano mo na-reach ang isang goal na yon, or maybe on the process, nung gina-reach mo pa lang yung goal na yon, ano yung mga ginawa mo, ano yung mga stepping stones mo. You could also have personal struggles and how to overcome them. You can also make that as your content. Like, for example, sa akin, personal struggle ko ngayon is for the past few months is yung acne problem ko. And I am planning on making a video about that and how I overcome the depression and how I overcome the questions and confusing stares of other people. Ay, anong nangyari sa'yo? So that is an inspirational vlog idea. Pwede nyo siyang gawin if somehow meron kang napagdaanan na gusto mong i-share kung paano mo na-overcome. That's nice. So that's it for our inspirational vlog ideas. Bucket list vlog. Do a reaction video kung meron kang mga napanood na movies, na bagong movies. Kung may mga bago kang books, pwede kang gumawa ng reaction video. 50 questions. It could be questions for yourself or questions from other people, yung mga kilalang tao sa community ninyo na people are dying to know their answers for the following questions. So, pwedeng ganun. Pwede din, you conduct a social experiment kung gusto mo na parang generic or mas i-attract mo yung mass or yung general public into your YouTube channel. You can do a social experiment which is ginagawa ni Jose Halyurina, yung recently nakaaway ni Donalyn Bartolome, but they are totally at peace right now. You can also play a prank on someone. You can create a vlog sharing your talent, talking about your first relationship, talking about your first heartbreak. That's a little bit more personal. Do a cover of a song which is really close to your heart, or maybe it has a relevance to your life. Ganun. So that's it for the categorized vlog ideas, and here are another vlog ideas that are just randomly picked na sinulat ko. Introduction video. Why are you vlogging? Sasabihin mo lang doon kung bakit ka nagsimula mag-vlog, what pushed you para gawin yon. You can also rant. Pwede din namang worst or least favorite thing, reacting to vlogs, reacting to your old pictures, reacting to latest music video of Blackpink and all. Pwede ding parody. Meron akong friend na gumagawa ng mga parody ng mga funny na mga video. How to do videos or vlogs. So for example, how to do a DIY ring light. Pwede ding transformation video. For example, your glow up since you were a kid up till today na gumanda ka na or perhaps merong changes sa iyo, pwede mo siyang gawing content. So, pwede ka rin gumawa ng Q&A video. Pwede ka rin gumawa ng mga trending video talks. For example, nauuso ngayon si Ivana Alawi. So, ang ginagawa ng mga iba is that they are reacting to Ivana Alawi's meme, pictures, photos, and all. You can also do video edit vlogs. So, for example, how you are editing your videos, how you set up your vlog, compilation of your pics, compilation vlog of your family gatherings and all. And that's it for the vlog ideas, guys. So, I know na meron kayong mga nakuha na mga ideas from there. And kung may nakuha kang ideas galing sa mga sinabi ko, please give this a thumbs up and please click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell para sa mas marami pang tips and vlog ideas coming for you, lalo na papasok na ang 2020. And take note, ladies and gentlemen, na sa YouTube industry, it doesn't matter anymore kung pareho kayo ng content. Palaging ang matter dyan is how you deliver it, how you shared your thoughts to your audience, and how you entertained them. Ganun na ang labanan sa YouTube industry na to. And if you want to really improve your YouTube channel, you can always visit other people's channel, other stars channel, or yung mga big time na sa YouTube industry. So you can check on their creations and evaluate yourself kung saan ka na na-part or kung saan ka na na-level sa kagalingan nila. Parang ma-challenge ka naman, may parang gusto kong mas maging better ang quality ng video ko and all. So, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's a lot of vlog ideas. I hope na meron kayong nakuha. See you again next time, and please don't forget to comment down below. May mga gusto ka pang tutorials and mga tips na gusto mong i-share ko sa mga viewers ko. That's it for this vlog. Thank